when you back and come back. Yes.
See that we have the switching on.
Yeah, the switching on.
Switching on.
Yes.
So we switch off.
Yes.
That means we touch the button.
Yeah.
And then we can switch it off. So 2 times.
Yes.
So the first one is the low light.
Low light.
And the second one is
the
the
Brighter.
another side, when we come to another side.
Yes, yes. There's something in first here.
Another
Just come back to
television
the fridge.
console.
Fridge.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there's a fridge here.
We have also fridge.
Yes.
These are all the things that are inside that enclosure.
Yes.
And in this fridge, when you open the fridge,
Yeah.
we have the places where you can put the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge.
Also the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge.
So even the fridge.
Yes.
Yes. So when you open the valve,
Yeah.
like this one,
Yeah.
you may put some of the fruits
Yes.
inside.
Some of your fruits to make it become cold. Yeah.
Okay, and then when you go to another side,
Yes.
will you see where we can